Get ready for the ultimate kids quiz adventure! Hey there, superstars! Are you ready to use your brain, have fun, and become a quiz champion? Let's jump into a world full of exciting questions. Just try your best and have fun. And now, let's begin. Question 1. Which is bigger, a cat, an elephant, or a mouse? Think. That's right, it's the elephant, big and mighty. Question 2. Which animal can fly? A dog, a fish, or a bird? Easy one, it's the bird. Flap those wings. Question 3. Find the odd one out. An apple, a car, or an orange? Ding ding! It's the car. You can't eat that. Question 4. What color is the sky? Blue, green, or red? Look up, it's blue. Question 5. Which one is a vegetable? A banana, a watermelon, or a potato? Yummy! It's the potato. Question 6. Find the odd one out. A carrot, a circle, or a square? Yes, it's the carrot. The others are shapes. Question 7. What has 4 legs? A fish, a bird, or a lion? Roar! It's the lion. Question 8. What color is a stop sign? Red, yellow, or blue? Stop right there. It's red. Question 9. Which is faster? A turtle, a bicycle, or a bus? Zoom! It's the bus. Question 10. What is round? A ball, a book, or a crayon? Bounce! It's the ball. Question 11. Which one can you eat? A toy, a sandwich, or a pencil? Yum! It's the sandwich. Which one can fly? A horse, a bicycle, or a plane? Up, up, and away! It's the plane. Question 13. Which one is a shape? A circle, a spoon, or a tree? That's right, it's the circle. Question 14. What animal lives in the water? A cat, a fish, or a bird? Splash! It's the fish. Question 15. Which one is used for writing? A pencil, a cucumber, or a hat? Write it down. It's the pencil. Question 16. What do you wear on your feet? Gloves, a hat, or shoes? Let's go! It's shoes. Question 17. Which one is hard? Ice cream, rice, or ice? Brr, it's ice. Question 18. What do you use to brush your teeth? A toothbrush, a comb, or a towel? Shine bright. It's the toothbrush. Question 19. Which one is cold? The sun, ice, or fire? Chili. It's ice. Question 20. What do you use to eat food? Socks, a book, or a spoon? Scoop it up. It's the spoon. Question 21. Which one can bounce? A bowl, a chair, or a ball? Boing! It's the ball. Question 22. Which one has wheels? A house, a tree, or a bicycle? Ride away. It's the bicycle. Question 23. What do you use to cut paper? Glue, scissors, or fork? Snip, snip. It's the scissors. Question 24. What do you wear in summer? A sweater, sunglasses, or gumboots? Cool style. It's sunglasses. Question 25. What is the color of grass? Green, blue, or red? Fresh and bright. It's green. Question 26. What does a sheep give us? Wool, honey, or flowers? Cozy. It's wool. Question 27. Which is not triangle-shaped? A mountain, a birthday cap, or a clock? Tick-tock, it's the clock. Question 28. What do we not use in the rainy season? An umbrella, a woolen cap, or a raincoat? Stay dry, it's the woolen cap. Question 29. We see with our nose, ears, or eyes. Look around, it's eyes. Question 30. Final question. Find the odd one out. A monkey, a parrot, or a giraffe? Got it! It's the parrot. Wow, you did amazing! Give yourself a big round of applause. You're smart, you're awesome, and you're a quiz champion. Want more fun quizzes, games, and exciting learning adventures? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Kids Quest channel for more awesome fun. See you next time, superstars!